Today I'm going to talk about my two knife sharpening tools I have. I got this for about 25 bucks. It says right here, the Edge Maker Pro Knife Sharpening and Plus Hone. This side, probably can't see it, is rough. It's got lines through it, and this side is smooth. It's a Smith's Whetstone. Got this at Meyer for about 10 bucks. You just wet it down and slide your blade across it. Get it wet. Puts a pretty nice edge on it. This, I don't really like this very much. It's supposed to go like doesn't really create a smooth sharpness. It kind of makes a rough, kind of grabby, hard sharpness. If you just pull your fingers across it, you're likely to cut it. But it's more of a kind of like a ripping cut more than a clean slice. I don't know how to explain it. Many of you probably know what I'm talking about. But for the most part, to sharpen, I use the whetstone. It takes a little bit longer, but it puts a nicer edge on it. You can't go wrong with a whetstone. Thanks for watching.